What's up, everyone? I'm showing you my desk that I use to make content, basically. And this is pretty simple. This is just like what's in my bedroom. And this is like my little chair I bought that was just a chair. Just a chair. Nothing fancy about it. I wanted a chair where I can kind of recline a little bit. Nothing crazy. It was a not too expensive chair. You see it has a headrest. The cushion that came with the chair was worse, so I had to buy another cushion to kind of, give me more comfort while sitting down for those long periods of time. Now, like I said, it's just a chair. You could put the armrest down, and you can lock it where it tilts and doesn't tilt. Those type of functions. Nothing crazy. Pretty simple as far as a chair. Not no high-end $1,000 chair, and definitely not that. But this monitor is the Ace. Is it Asus or Asus? Asus 5K monitor. So I invested in a 5K monitor. When you work with Mac OS, I've seen a lot of videos saying that 5K is perfect for it because of the resolution and the scaling issues that come with having a 4K monitor, all those things. So I went on, took the plunge, and got me a 5K monitor. And I will say this, for me, my eyes are getting bad as the older I get. So for me, I must say that this does clear up a lot of fuzziness that I would see on some 4K monitors using Mac OS. Right. Text will look sharp, all these other things. Now it's a matte display. I'm cool with matte displays because I'm right behind a window. So for me, this would be perfect for the situation because I got 3 windows behind me and just no glare, because glossy displays, you can see the reflections, and that really annoys me. So, like I said, I invested in it. I'm really enjoying it for the most part. And over some time, I'll probably give like a review video and like my experience with it, the pros and cons of it over some time. And I also have this little placeholder you want to call it, for my MacBook Pro. So I put it on the side of the desk to kind of put it out the way, because this desk has drawers and I don't want it sliding back and forth on that, and then something was to happen, the drawer gets broken, something, anything like that. So, and in here you can kind of see my MixPre 3, my wireless Go from Rode. This is the whole set. Hold on. See if I can do this one-handed. I'm almost there. There you go. Pop that open. And I like this case because you can charge it while it's in the case. So, wireless microphones help out. Got a SSD. And I have a white controller for my Xbox Series S. I use that one for my room. Downstairs in the basement, I have a Xbox Series X for, close to native 4K resolution, because, it ain't never really native, because it's just 1080p upscaled to native 4K. But hey, it is what it is. So this is like my bedroom desk setup. Now I'm gonna go downstairs and show y'all the desk I bought and talk about that in a quick second. And here we are. Now this is the Fizzybo desk. Now people my age, and if you ever watched The Simpsons, there was an episode years ago. If you're my age, you know exactly what I'm talking about, where Bart was playing Scrabble with the family, and he came up with a word called Quizzybo. So this is Fizzybo desk. Now this is a desk that comes in 3 parts. You got the middle part, the 2 edges, and all those things. That's why I got that leather mat cover to kind of cover up the lines, because I already knew that was going to annoy me if I saw those things, but it is what it is. Now, this monitor is a LG 4K gaming monitor, 32 inch. The actual model I'll put in the description, because I don't feel like saying the actual model, but I use this to edit off of from time to time. And I've had the Xbox hooked up to it. I realize monitors are fine for a little casual gaming, but I'm old school, so I play on big screens TVs. I play on my 55-inch LG OLED TV. So this is OLED as well. And like I said, monitors are fine, but I also like bigger screens. And this is my M1 MacBook Pro that's, basically charging the whole shebang now. I got rid of everything else and just kept that and kind of be like more of a mobile thing. I still want to invest in the 14-inch, but ever since the price went up, I was a little disappointed. I should have jumped the gun and got one back before the prices went up on them because of the RAM shortage. But it is what it is. This keyboard is from Logitech. It backlit, comfortable keyboard for me. I hate that tactile when you're typing. I don't like those tactile keyboards, so I kind of like this one. It's a little bit more quieter. And this is the MX Master 3. Old school, still works, no problem. And the chair is it's the same thing, not that expensive of a chair. This chair is a little bit more comfortable as far as like the chair cushion itself is more comfortable than the one upstairs. But this works perfectly for me. I don't need a headrest down here. But this is a sit stand desk. So let's go and do it. Like, if you can hear the motors, it's not too loud, but you can hear it. Yep, and this is the setting I have it on. This is, what's this, 46.3. So if I want to stand up and work and edit a video here, or play games because my legs is feeling like noodles and I want to get some blood circulating, yeah, I could do that. And this is my sit standing. Let's see what the actual sit number is. .3, and I got the halo light on there. They stopped selling that one. I actually like the design of this one. The new one I'm not too keen on, but I like this light, and they stopped selling it. So I will invest eventually for another one for my bedroom monitor. And I know I didn't turn these monitors on and let you see what was going on. I just wanted to kind of do like a setup tour video of what's changed, how I'm going to be working from now on, and like basically just show you how minimal I went down to. Instead of having all that stuff, I have just enough what I need to make things work for me. So that's my 2-desk setup tour for my house. This is what the workstations look like. This is what I'm going to be working off of. I got a 32-inch here, 27-inch upstairs. And that's it. This is basically the compressed, compact version of what my desk went from to what it is now. So I realize I like less stuff. Like, I'm just getting rid of stuff. I'm selling it off all the time. Anything I just see myself not using at all, I'm just getting rid of. So basically, this is it. This is my desk. You see, I got a MacBook Pro, one monitor, keyboard, mouse, some headphones. Those are the Sony WH-1000X XM5s. Yeah, I ain't get the 6s yet. I got the 5s. And I got 2 headphones racks under the table. If you can see them, yeah. So, yeah, that's it. Thank you guys for checking this video out. Hope you like it. See you next time.